Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys. Depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video, I'd like to welcome you all onto this channel, guys. I hope that everyone is good. I'm just disturbed. Check out this video and then we'll talk. For those who might not understand what is going on, Shuti, there's a lady who posted her picture, and then there was a guy who came out saying, who commented and said, "Yo, I'm sure you must be umnandi, you are, you know." And then another guy was like, "You can say that again." And then this guy was like, I want to argue, or I could argue it. In other words, like when I could argue njengakudlwengula noma ngihalela ukudlwengula. It's like ngathi uzothi yo wena ngakushada, yazi wena, yo wena ngakushada, yo wena ngakunika isalary yami yonke, yo wena ngakwenzela noma yini, ngisho isidingo sokuthi uyiphathe kahle asikho. When has it ever happened ukuthi, or when has it ever been okay ukuthi you could say something like that to a person? Ukuthi wena ngingakudlwengula, yini into emnandi ngoku-arwa? Because the way kanjani bafethu, how is what this guy is saying okay? How is it that this guy is not going to go to jail, or nothing is going to be done about the guy? Igama lakho kamkhelo kanjani? This honestly cannot just, sleeping dogs cannot just lie. Something definitely needs to be done. The fact that people now are comfortable, or some stupid fucked up men are comfortable with having to say ukuthi wena ngingakudlwengula, kanti bafethu kuyini, kuyi privilege, into enhle. Hayi, mina ngazi yazi, mina ngazi bafethu. I know if this was uDominic, if this foot is even possible, I wish that he could also see this, because I know he's good in terms of ukupenya, ukwenza ucwaningo, in terms of doing research and finding information about people. This guy deserves to go behind the bars. Already we are dealing with predators that we do not know. The fact that there are some predators who are even putting themselves out there, who are even putting their hands up and saying, yazi nami ngiyadlwengulana. Guys, lo muntu siyambona ukuthi udinga, hayi ukuthi udinga usizo, udinga nje ukuthi simqhelisene athatha ayobekwa ejele, athi mayisabeka ejele sibe sadila nalapha, because this guy is basically uwenza umsebenzi wamaphoyisa ukuthi ube lula. Understand? This guy was supposed to, if this guy, the information was written under a comment by Dominic, this guy was definitely going to lose his job. He was definitely going to lose his job if he's working, or clients if he has clients. You understand? So I wish yazi ngathi Dominic engatheka bafitha angazi kanjani. Angazi kanjani. I'm also going to try and send le video kuma DMs yakhe. I do not know if he's going to respond or kanjani, but I wish something can definitely be done about this. With this guy, next thing, I mean, ngifuna kuzwa abantu, when this guy loses his job, only to find out maybe he's a father, he's a son, he's a Holy Spirit, he's taking care of the whole world and all of that. If all those people get affected, unfortunately, that is on him. Because I do not want people who be coming here and saying that, that is rude, that is wrong, what will happen to a black young man and all of that. What is happening to our sisters? What is happening to our sisters? Is it okay that our sisters are being told intikanje? Amanyala. Is this okay now? Because when he was writing all of this, or when he does all of this, akacabangela ifamily yakhe. Why thina sesikumele manje singareport emsebenzini wakhe ukuthi axoshwe or ukuthi aboshwe in the name of ukuthi why thina first cabangela umndeni wakhe nengakwazi ukucabangela umndeni wakhe? Why must we think for his family and he does not do that? Something needs to be done about this. I do not want to lie to you. Something definitely needs to be done about this. This guy deserves to be behind bars. Finish and clear. There's just no beating about the bush about this. So please, if you'll see this video, ngicela yazi bafethu ngizama ukuthola i-attention kaDominic. We need help bafethu. We definitely need help. And lo uthi ukuthi mayejele yo yazi bengamyeki yes naye unenkinga la ekhanda, but before ayolungiswa la ekhanda noma ayohlala phansi ama-therapist and start sitting with therapist, udinga ukuthi atholwe ngaphandle nangovaseline, bengafana nevaseline nanekhohle lutho, atholwe nje umgozozo. I saw another video of another guy who was talking about when he got to jail, his experience, they wanted to ukulala naye, and then they gave him 2 options. Are you going to sleep with me, or are we all going to sleep with you by force? And this guy was like, no one is going to touch me. Into bamba yona mayesho lo uthenje ukubanjwa nje until yeah, sikhathele manje.